Hi everyone. Welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of Android Studio in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open the web browser and search for Android Studio in your preferred search engine. Now go to the download link of Android Studio SDK and look for the Linux version of Android Studio and click download button. Accept the terms and conditions and click download Android Studio for Linux and wait for the download to complete. Now open the Downloads folder. Right-click the downloaded file and click Extract here. After extraction finished, copy the extracted folder and go to Home folder and paste the folder. Right-click on the Android Studio folder and click Open in Terminal. Now go to bin folder by change directory command. Check the studio.sh file exists in the folder by ls command. Now run the application using the command sudo /, then file name and press enter. Provide your password and press enter. Android Studio installation wizard will open. Click OK and follow the installation steps by clicking Next button. Choose Standard and click Next. Choose Preferred Theme and click Next. Click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next. Click Finish and wait for the installation to complete. After installation, click Finish button. Android Studio will open now and welcome screen will be displayed. Now to create a desktop entry for Android Studio, click on the gear icon at the bottom left corner of the application. Click on Create Desktop Entry and click OK button. To open Android Studio, go to Menu and search for Android Studio and click the Android Studio menu.